Okay, so here we have to evaluate the limit as x approaches 1 of x to the fourth power minus 1 divided by x minus 1. So first off, whenever you have a limit of a finite value like 1, just try plugging in and see, maybe you even get a free question. So plug in 1, we get x to the fourth, that's 1, or 1 to the fourth minus 1 is 0, divided by 1 minus 1 is also 0, and so we get 0 over 0. So that's not really going to help us out very much, because that doesn't tell us anything really about the limit. But instead, notice that x to the fourth minus 1 is a difference of squares, right? It's x squared squared, kind of a weird saying, but it's x squared all being squared minus 1 being squared. And so we can factor that into x squared plus 1 times x squared minus 1. And we can factor x squared minus 1 even further. It's also a difference of squares, right? It's x being squared minus 1 being squared. And so we can factor that into x minus 1 times x plus 1, and you can see here we're going to get a cancellation, right? X minus 1, those two factors will cancel out. And so in other words, this is equal to the limit as x approaches 1 of x squared plus 1 times x plus 1. And so now you can see there's no denominators, there's no goofy stuff. We can just plug in 1. So here we go. Plug in 1. 1 squared plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is also 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And so that is your final answer. This limit here, as x approaches 1, is equal to 4.